As you can see, those are the houses submerged on top of water in Kanara Sub-County and Kanara Town Council in Ntoroko district. This is as a result of floods because of rising water levels from Lake Albert since 2019. Many people who stay around these places, they say they don't have anywhere where they can relocate to, and this is the situation, and it is alarming. The government is just promising that anytime they will be relocating these people, but now it's close to 2 years. This is not a lake, it was once a land, but water came from Lake Albert and submerged it.